All right, let's make sure that our no-name platform is properly installed and the UI is responsive. We're going to be adding the license file and so on. All right, for this, we need to be on our browser. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to type https:// and I'm going to paste now the no-name prefixed host name like this, and we're going to press enter. This is a good sign that it tells me that there is a self-signed certificate, which is exactly what the default certificate is available when we install the no-name platform. Okay, so I'm going to select advanced. We're going to proceed. Now be careful because sometimes on a Mac, you're not going to have this proceed um, link. So what you want to do is you want to type this is unsafe. Anywhere in this window, type this is unsafe. It doesn't really matter where you are, right? So there's no text field, there's nothing. This is unsafe, all lowercase, all in one word. Okay, if you don't believe me, Google it. All right, so let's proceed. Now we need to provide our administrative user. Remember, we only created one, admin@acme.com, and the password is capital N, no name, one exclamation. Right? I'll put the password right after, so in case you forgot, no name, one exclamation. And we're going to select login. Now, as soon as you click login, you will be asked to provide the license file. Here we are. Okay. Again, the license file will be provided to you along with the VMs. Okay, license file and VMs will be provided to you when you request them. Okay. All right. So I'm going to select the license file. This is going to give me the my file finder, my explorer, and so on. And I'm going to go under the right place where I have my license, and I'm going to select the 328 that I provisioned on 12th of June. Okay, and I'm going to click open, and I'm going to upload. There we go. Congrats. We have successfully installed a no-name platform, and it is accessible, right? It is accessible. Okay, you can play around with the different pages. By the way, all of these pages, reports, inventory, security, is not going to let you do anything. Why? Because you need to have traffic. You need to have something within them, right? So nothing to see here, guys. You are being asked, hey man, you probably need to create an integration, highlight it, right? Or maybe you have already API specs and you would like to upload them, right? So we are able to discover APIs that way. Up to you, right? Usually it's done through traffic by creating an integration. Okay, we're going to do that not in the next exercise, but the one after. The next exercise is all about creating a remote engine, right? Well, by the way, you can play around with the settings though. You can come in here, you can say thanks, you can say thanks again, so you can get rid of those guided tours. They're useful, by the way. I'm just getting rid of them primarily because I already know them. Okay. So API risk, authentications, all these pages, they seem to be rendering successfully. So we're good to go. All right, back to Noni. Cool. And with this, we have concluded the walkthrough and this last section of the walkthrough.